When it comes to eye makeup, you may be wondering which is better, eyeliner or eyeshadow. Each one has its benefits. So let's take a look at each. In this video, we'll run through the difference between eyeliner vs eyeshadow and give some easy tips for how and when to use each. What is eyeshadow? Let's start the debate with a look at eyeshadow. Eyeshadow is used to create a variety of makeup looks. Eyeshadows come in a range of colors, and they can be used to create depth and a dramatic look. Or you can stick with a neutral shade to even the skin tone on your eyelids, and to act as a primer before applying eyeliner. What is eyeliner? Now let's take a look at eyeliner. Overall, eyeliner is more limiting than eyeshadow because it doesn't have as many uses. However, that doesn't lessen its importance or impact. To me, eyeliner is one of the few products that I use every day. All it takes is a little eyeliner and mascara, and you can create a range of looks, from a bold and dramatic cat eye to delicate and subtle crisp lines. Eyeliner may not be as versatile as eyeshadow, but it still offers some versatility. An eyeliner pen is good for filling in eyebrows and for defining them. The downside is that there aren't as many color options as you have for shadows, so you may get a better, natural look by using a powder eyeshadow. Pros of using eyeshadow. One of the key benefits of eyeshadow is that it is extremely versatile. This is probably the key difference when it comes to eyeliner vs eyeshadow, where eyeliner is usually limited to just outlining the natural shape of your eyes. Eyeshadow can redefine the look and give you a new shape to your eyes. Plus, eyeshadow can also be used as an eyeliner, or to fill in your eyebrows. You can even mix eyeshadow with petroleum jelly to create your own lip gloss, or apply it to your face as blush or highlighter. With so many ways of using eyeshadow, it really is much more versatile than eyeliner. So if you could only afford one, you may get more bang for your buck with eyeshadow. Types of eyeshadows. There are two primary types of eyeshadows that you can use: cream eyeshadow and powder eyeshadow. Cream eyeshadows are more limited in colors and ways that you can use them. The one benefit with a cream eyeshadow is that it's really easy to use. And if you use an eyeshadow stick, it's not only an easy application, but it's also really portable. But to get the most out of eyeshadow, powder eyeshadows really are the way to go. This is the go-to product for makeup artists, and is what I'll focus on for the discussion of eyeliner vs eyeshadow. How to use eyeshadow. With eyeshadow, you can create a lot of different looks. If you want a smoky look, you can achieve that using dark colors to create a bold look. Or go for a subtle look using light colors on the lower lid to help make your eyes pop. Depending upon where and how you apply the eyeshadow, you can get different effects. This is why eyeshadow is so versatile. There's no limit to the type of looks you can create with the variety of colors available. Use eyeshadow as eyeliner. To turn eyeshadow into eyeliner, you have a couple of options. You can simply use water to moisten the shadow so that it becomes a liquid form. The one challenge I've had doing it this way is I usually can't get the color to be as bold as I like, and I don't feel that it lasts throughout the day. That's why my favorite way to turn eyeshadow into a liquid eyeliner to use a setting spray instead of water. I simply spray a little into the palm of my hand, and then I dip a small eyeliner brush into the spray. After the brush is wet, I dip it into the shadow, and voila, I have the perfect DIY eyeliner. With this technique and using a very fine brush, you can even use eyeshadow instead of eyeliner on the lower lash line. Different types of eyeliner. There are two general types of eyeliner. There is the felt tip liquid eyeliner pen, or a gel eyeliner pencil. Each one creates a different type of line and gives a different look. Benefits of eyeliner pens. A felt tip or brush-like eyeliner pen lets you draw a super fine line. This lets you draw a thin line right along the lash line. This helps make your lashes look fuller. Although an eyeliner pen lets you draw a thin line, you can also use it to draw a thick line. This makes it the perfect eyeliner to use for a winged eyeliner look or cat's eyes. You can create a lot of different effects with this type of eyeliner, and it's also a great choice for beginners. This is also the best eyeliner to use for your water lines. How to apply eyeliner. A gel pencil liner is a great choice for a smoky eye look. You can line your lashes and then smudge it to create this look. Although you can vary the thickness of the line you draw with an eyeliner pencil, you typically can't get as fine a line as with a pen. Lime Life's gel enduring eyeliner pencil is a long-wearing, smudge-proof, and waterproof eyeliner. This eyeliner lasts for 24 hours. It glides on so smoothly and easily that it too is a great choice for beginners. If you're wondering if you should apply eyeliner before or after mascara, you want to apply it first. Overview. Hopefully I've helped answer questions you may have had about eyeliner vs eyeshadow. Which one is better for you? and understanding the different ways that you can use each. Whether you prefer a softer look or a bold and colorful look, eyeliners and eyeshadows can help you achieve the look you want. There really isn't any right answer. A lot of it just comes down to personal preference. We are going to end this video right away. If you have any query or information to share, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.